What is up, guys? It's been a while, and back by popular demand, I am back with another episode of Hi Miss Juicy Joints. I'm so sorry, you guys. Ooh, I'm sorry with the camera movement here. It's been a busy few months. As many of you guys know, I started running for office. Elections are on April 6th here in Northlake and a lot of different areas here in Illinois. But particularly here in my hometown of Northlake, I'm running for a position on the Northlake Fire Protection District committee as a trustee. So, if you guys are watching this here in Northlake, please go on and vote for me. I am punch number 252. I'll be the last person on the ballot. So please vote for me. That's my little spiel. But today, I bring you guys a nice treat. So, two things actually. Number one, I went to McDonald's today and got a orange high C, which is back by popular demand at McDonald's. I got the orange high C drink, one of my favorite drinks at McDonald's. Not that I go too often, but when I go, I it's usually one of my go-to drinks other than Diet Coke. And for those of you that are wondering, yeah, I do like Diet Coke. I like the taste of it, not just because it saves you calories. But anyway, that's the drink. But today I am doing a review of something that everyone has been reviewing already on a lot of YouTube channels and on TikTok and all that. But it's the chicken sandwich at McDonald's, the new released chicken sandwich, which comes in this awesome like little baggie that where they're trying to copy Popeyes. So we'll give it a go. Now they have two sandwiches. I think actually they have a lineup of a couple new sandwiches. It's like a spicy deluxe, something deluxe grilled or something, and then they have the crispy chicken sandwich, which is one of the new signature items there, and then the spicy crispy chicken. The one I have for you guys today is obviously just the regular crispy chicken sandwich. I'll do a review of the spicy at some other point. I did try it already. I thought it was okay, but I don't know. I felt like it was just like they just took a buffalo sauce from the McNuggets and then just poured it on the sandwich and then called it a day. But yeah, I wanted to review this for you guys just so you guys could stop hounding me. You know who you are, Avan, Diana. I know you guys will be watching this and you guys will be like, oh, why haven't you done a review? Why haven't you done a review? Here's your review. So I have the McDonald's app and I'm able to get awesome deals. And for those of you that don't have the McDonald's app, I recommend it. Even if you just download it temporarily and connect your card to it and then get rid of it. They have free Friday fries. I think it's a free large fry with any purchase of $1 or more. But they have a chicken sandwich deal where it's a daily deal where you can get, if you buy the crispy chicken sandwich at $4, you get a free medium fry and a free drink, which I think is a cool deal. And yeah, so let's give this a go. So let me try to pull my phone down. Hopefully it doesn't fall. I'm having a hard time kind of keeping it up, and I had to like do this, but I'm gonna show you guys the sandwich, what it looks like. Again, the regular crispy chicken sandwich on a what they call the brochet bun. 2 pickles in there that are kind of smushed together. The chicken breast, or I don't think it's actually a chicken breast. I think it's like some kind of chicken cutlet, boneless, and then the other bun. So let's give it a go. No sauce. And here we go, you guys. Let's see what we got. Okay, the very first thing I can tell you guys, it's super moist, super juicy, super moist. It's sort of crispy. It's pretty decent. I got a hint of the pickle juice. That's kind of on there with the pickles. So you got a hint of that. Kind of bland. There's really no seasoning on. I mean, you guys know there's no seasoning on McDonald's anything. Take a swig of this. Oh, that's good. Orange high C, man. Missed it. So it's yeah, I mean the sandwich is decent itself. It's juicy. It's a good portion size for $4. You know, obviously I got to deal with this with the fries and the drink. It makes for a good lunch item. In terms of taste, like, I can see why they were pouring the buffalo sauce onto the spicy chicken sandwich. There's no taste on it. Without any sauce, so you need something on there. Like, there's no mayonnaise, there's no ketchup, there's no signature sauce that you could say like, oh man, that made the sandwich great. So in terms of flavor, I honestly have to give it probably a 4 out of 10. Not because it's nasty, just because it's kind of tasteless. Like, it's just like, I could have taken my my air fryer, fried up a chicken cutlet from Aldi or wherever, you know, pulled up a bun and just stuck 2 pickles on it and called it a sandwich. Like, I could have done that. And I feel like that's what McDonald's did with this sandwich. Like, they're doing great with the wrapping paper, obviously. They copied Popeyes again with the same style, with the aluminum heater resistant whatever little pocket thing. But they really didn't put any effort or flavor into the sandwich itself. So 4 out of 10 in flavor. In terms of the juicy scale, though, meaning like overall, like presentation, taste, you know, portion size and all that, I mean, 6 out of 10. I think that's a fair score. Again, no taste whatsoever. You get the taste of the chicken. It's juicy. You get the taste of the pickle. That's kind of it. Like, it's just, you're better off getting a McDouble. You're better off, honestly, getting a McChicken. At least a McChicken has mayonnaise on it. Or I guess I could get a mayonnaise packet, but kind of defeats the purpose. But yeah, I mean, other than that, like, decent chicken sandwich. But obviously, if you guys are going for flavor, stick to Popeyes. But not bad. You know, not bad. Could be worse. At least it doesn't taste like crap. Anyway, that's my review, you guys. So stay tuned for more. And please support the campaign. Thank you so much. And also, shameless plug, check out my website, jaimeochoa.com. There's more info on there about the elections. Thank you so much, guys. See you guys next time.